Here is our list of the top 5 best soundbars you can get right now. The Sonos Beam Gen 2 is a compact high-performance soundbar offering virtualized Dolby Atmos for immersive 3D sound without upward-firing speakers. It features enhanced audio hardware with 5 Class D amplifiers, elliptical midwoofers, a tweeter, and passive radiators for clear balanced sound. With HDMI ARC, it supports premium formats like Dolby True HD and Atmos. Smart features include Alexa, Google Assistant, AirPlay 2, and Sonos voice control. The sleek design has a durable polycarbonate grille and easy touch controls. Quick setup via NFC and Sonos S2 app, plus expandability with other Sonos speakers, makes it ideal for small spaces and versatile audio setups. The Sony HT-A7000 is a compact 3.1-channel soundbar that delivers immersive audio with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X support. It features 3 front speakers, including a dedicated center channel for clear dialogue and built-in dual subwoofers for deep bass. Sony's vertical surround engine and S-Force Pro front surround simulate surround and overhead sound without extra speakers. X-Balance drivers reduce distortion, and the digital sound enhancement engine restores compressed audio. With 250-watt output, HDMI ARC, Bluetooth 5.2, and smartphone app control, it's easy to set up and expand with optional subwoofers and rear speakers, ideal for users seeking high-quality audio in a simple setup. The Samsung HWQ990D is a flagship 11.1.4-channel soundbar system that delivers a premium immersive home theater experience. It includes a soundbar, wireless subwoofer, and wireless rear speakers with up and side firing drivers, supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X for true 3D audio. Key features include wireless Dolby Atmos, Q Symphony integration with Samsung TVs, SpaceFit Sound Pro room calibration, adaptive sound, Game Mode Pro, and voice control via Amazon Alexa. It offers extensive connectivity, including HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirPlay 2. With 22 drivers and AI-powered features, it ensures rich, clear, and customizable sound in any environment. The Sony BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 is a premium soundbar designed to deliver an immersive home theater experience. It features 13 built-in speaker units, including up-firing, side-firing, and beam tweeters, all powered by 585 watts. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X, and IMAX enhanced formats, and incorporates Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping technology to create a wide soundstage with phantom speakers. Additional features include sound field optimization for room calibration, HDMI 2.1 pass-through supporting 4K at 120 Hz, and compatibility with Apple AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth 5.2. The BRAVIA Theater Bar 9 can be expanded with optional wireless subwoofers and rear speakers for a more comprehensive surround sound setup. The Sonos Arc Ultra is a high-end 9.1.4-channel soundbar offering immersive Dolby Atmos audio and integrated voice control. Positioned above the original Arc, it enhances bass and dialogue clarity using innovative sound motion technology and 15 Class D amplifiers. It features 7 precisely angled tweeters and 6 midwoofers, along with advanced tuning options like True Play, speech enhancement, and night sound. Built-in Sonos voice control and Alexa support hands-free use, while Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and HDMI ARC ensure broad compatibility. Expandable with other Sonos products, it delivers a powerful, elegant home theater experience with seamless integration into the Sonos ecosystem.